Okay, here's a problem called the next neighbor relation on the integer z. We define it as shown here. It's those ordered pairs from z cross z, or from z squared, such that the absolute value of their difference is 2. In other words, if we draw a number line here, whatever these numbers are, two integers on the number line are related if they're a distance 2 apart. Okay? And the first question is the nearest neighbor relation finite or infinite? Well, it's infinite because you can string them all out in both directions on the integer number line. Is it an equivalence relation? Carefully justify your answer. Well, to be an equivalence relation, it has to be symmetric, reflexive, and transitive. It is symmetric, and that's because that if x comma y is in the relation, then y comma x is also in the relation. And that's because the absolute value of x minus y is equal to the absolute value of y minus x. In other words, it doesn't matter the order you put the x and y inside absolute values, because either way we're going to take the positive value, and it's just the distance between the two. Okay, so it's symmetric, but it's not reflexive or transitive. You can see right away that it's not transitive because, well, suppose these two elements are related, and then suppose this one and the next one over are related, which they are. Well, that does not mean that the first one and the third one are related. Now their difference is 4, and that's not equal to 2. Okay, so transitive does not work. And clearly, no element is, and neither does reflexive, because no element is related to itself in this relation. No element is a distance 2 from its own self. Okay, so it's not an equivalence relation. I think that does it for this one. Yep, I'll stop there. Hope that helps.